This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages, and I am at Loews, Sapphire Falls, at Universal Orlando. We're going to do a room tour, staying in a pool view room. This room sleeps 4. When you first come in, you have a mirror over here, and just an empty space right here, which has my stuff. So we'll start here on the left. We have the sink and mirror. And that mirror has an adjustable light. So we're going to test it. So it turns it off. And it has several different like dimness levels, I guess you'd say. So very nice. I do have body wash and hand cream, shower cap and soap. Over here we have the toilet and the shower. And they do have soap, shampoo, and conditioner in here. And it has a sliding door. Here, we'll slide it all the way. Over here we have some extra pillows, hair dryer, iron, normal closet stuff, safe, not super deep, but you could put a laptop or something standing up. We do have a little mini fridge. And on this side is just drawers for storage. We have a coffee maker with all the goods that you need for that. Very tropical feel to it. We have a great view of the pool. And that is it. Loews Sapphire Falls at Universal Orlando.